This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Pump head motor compatibility meets different operating requirements and can be matched with various motors below 100 revolutions per minute. Stepper motor. Integrated stepper motor with driver, available with two different mounting methods. AC/DC geared motor. Pump head installation. Take the D6 for pump head and BT600F driver as an example. From the factory, the clamps are installed on the pump head. Before installing the pump head, press the clips one by one to remove all clamps. Remove all protective caps fitted on the pump head pins at the flat shaft end. Keep the pump head pins properly for later use. Align the positioning holes of the pump head with the positioning posts of the pump head bracket. Align the flat shaft of the pump head with the coupling groove of the driver. Then push the pump head toward the driver until it fits tightly against the bracket. Lift the driver and place it vertically. Insert the two supplied pump head screws into the mounting holes of the rear mounting plate, then use a 3 mm hex wrench to tighten the screws. The pump head installation is complete. Clamp and tubing installation. There are two types of clamps, adjustable type and spring type. Insert the tubing with tube clips pre-installed from the factory into the clip positions at both ends of the adjustable clamp. When installing the clamp into the pump head, first insert the side with the adjustment lever into the shoulder position of the pump head locating rod, then press the other side toward the latch direction, snap it into place, and release. Repeat the above steps to complete installation for all 4 channels. The adjustment lever positions have different colors. Adjust according to the position reference table. The spring type clamp is the same as the adjustable type, except it has no adjustment lever. After installing the tubing, it is ready for use without adjustment. Clamp removal. The removal method is the same for both clamp types. The spring type is used as an example. Press the latch to release the clamp lock, then lift the clamp upward to disengage it from the latch position and remove it.